Of Jamaica firewater. We're at St. Anne's Bay, Windsor Road, St. Anne. Arthritis, any problem you have and get into this water, it comes out rejuvenated.
The statues.
Yeah, man. Happy birthday, my friend.
So far, it just keeps getting better and better.
Yeah, man.
Better and better.
They're doing it again?
Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, man. Boom. Wagwan, wagwan. Yeah, man. Big up in the people. Love the support I get. You understand? Subscribers. Yeah, I love it. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Big up everybody who support the thing. Arcade Tours and Excursion. Like, share, and subscribe. And you don't know we're outside like all the time. Yeah, man. I'm back at it again. Another day, another adventure. And today's gonna be a very quick day, you know. I have some people to pick up from a hotel. I'm doing a hotel transfer today. You understand? From Montego Bay, go to Ocherius, and then on the way, do a little sightseeing, stuff like that. So we're gonna take you along today and show you guys how we do it. You understand? Yeah, man. And also, I'm going to show my guests. I'm trying to put something to my guests. The fire mineral bath. Yeah, man. I'm trying to let my guests do that as well too. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how I'll go on. Alright? Yeah, guys. So we just reached. So about to pick up our guests. They're doing a checkout right now. I don't know we're active.
Kevin to the world, great grandson of the founder of Jamaica Firewater. We're at St. Anne's Bay, Windsor Road, St. Anne. As you can see where the water is bubbling up, it comes up from the inner core of the earth, comes up warm, salty and bitter. Good for all aches and pain, circulation, swelling of the skin, headache, backache, stress, allergies, sunburn, glaucoma, cataracts on the eyes, arthritis. Any problem you have and get into this water, it comes out rejuvenated. Because of the fire, no oil, no gas, it's natural.
All natural. Yeah, man, so we're there again. Just reached the location. You understand, St. Anne's Bay. The fire mineral bath. So behind me, we have the guests them there, about to go in the water. So we're gonna show them exactly, you know, what we're going and how the process is and everything.
Great grandmother. Great grandmother. Yeah, when she was 15 years old.
Really? Right here?
Yeah.
Wanna come here? With salt water?
Yeah, mineral.
Oh, yeah, taste it.
It's a taste. It's it.
Yeah, bang to light no
Oh,
fire.
I want to do anything. Light it more.
Just right
It's
here,
only right here.
Nowhere
Nowhere
else,
else, you're not
yeah.
gonna pick it.
Just
Spring
where
it,
the
come right,
bubbles
spring
come
it,
up.
come right in.
Yeah,
We're not doing nothing.
exactly.
Watching for sure.
Let me see if I can take 2 pictures. Alright, hold it. Light it real quick. And look at me immediately. 1, 2, 3. Nice smile. Okay. Yeah, nice. Let me get a wide one. Right there.
Okay, put your hand right there.
Awesome. Yeah, man. That is it. Awesome.
So your grandmother, when she discovered this, it was lower.
Yeah, it was a little dirt spot.
Yeah, let's
Just me build this around it and
when she
plug
noticed.
it.
So she sees clear water coming up.
It's a spring, so she tried to get some orange from a tree. So the fire, when you try to burn away the wasp, the fire dropped into the water and
Oh.
ignited.
And it
So she
kept
ran
light.
and said,
And then she
"Ghost."
discovered it.
Yeah, it's a ghost light. Water.
She says a ghost light it.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
See from this side.
The statue, you see this guy for Marcus Garvey.
Yes.
Marcus
Statue.
Garvey, that's the guy,
Statue
right?
is
Oh, that's the statue?
Yeah.
He's, we was asking who he is.
It's
Mm-hmm.
Marcus Garvey. He's a
Politician.
era.
A hero.
But they're fighting for the welfare of the people.
Fight for
Welfare.
Yeah. He was fighting for the black people at the time.
Yeah.
So
You know?
the water itself is come out warm.
Boom, we're going. Yes, people, another day, another dollar. I'm back at it on outside, like all the time. Yeah, man, so we're about to do a pickup. And if you guys can see, Moon Palace, Jamaica. Yeah, man, I'm about to do a pickup right now. Yeah, man, it's, as you can see in the background, with a little bit of decor, happy birthday style. Yeah, man, you know the vibes. So, stay tuned, I'm going to show you what I'm going to see. Active. Yeah, man, so we are here. We are here, people. Yeah, so I'm gonna text them. Yeah, so I'm gonna text them and let them know I'm here and just give them a surprise. Where she at? Where she at? Where you at? Oh, you're here. Mine? I just bought one too. I just got one too. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Good man. Good man. Thank you so much. Come around this side. Yeah, man.
How you going?
I'm great, man. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, man. You're most welcome, my friend. You have a birthday thing right there. You can put it on, all right? Yeah, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. Yeah, video. Yeah, man. Happy birthday, my friend. Yes, guys, beautiful Jamaica, Dolphin Cave. Yeah, man, this is it. I guess they're gonna swim with some dolphins today. I don't know if you could see the dolphins, but it's a good vibes, good energy, like all the time. Yeah, man. So, oh, there's a dolphin. You see him peep up? Yeah, man, he's ready. He's ready indeed. That is it, my friend. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, that is it. Nice. Awesome. Good vibes, people. That is it. Active. Hey. Hey. Nice, nice, nice. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah, people, that is it. Hope you guys just enjoyed those drone shots. Yeah, man, it's a vibe here at Dolphin Cove. Yeah, man, come on down and check it out. Here we have the pool area. Good vibes. If you want to swim, you definitely can do that, you know? Yeah, man, we have the food court over there. If you want your food, you can get your food over there as well. So, see? That is it. Photos and gift shop. Yeah, man, I paid for some photos for my guests, so they will be definitely getting their photos. Yeah, man, let's stay tuned and go check them out now. Mini zoo. We check out some birds, some iguanas. You scared of iguanas? No. No? Okay, good. Okay. Yeah, they are. Huh? I thought they eat like insects and stuff like that.
Yeah.
I think somebody said that. I don't think
I
they
also
eat.
had
There's
some
eating
chicken and it's a so-called eggs.
Yeah?
Really?
Yeah,
The eggs?
Iguana. And somebody tell me that they don't eat anything like me. They don't eat leaves.
Okay.
I don't know that.
Hello.
Good morning.
Almost afternoon.
Make
Yeah,
it be
man.
good. But this is where we have the lovebirds and this is where we have the bunnies. Whichever one you want to do, I'm in charge today.
Alright.
So if you want to view the bunnies, come.
Go. Yeah, man.
So these are John Roberts, right? So this one is called
I want to them have a rabbit them.
This one is called King.
Birds
So
them.
King has his name because of the color fur.
Yeah, man.
King has her name because no matter how it's leashed, you will lease yours. Wild got his name. Wild got his name because he's a bit, wild, trying to get him tamed, but he's harmless still.
Yeah.
But
I had another too.
yeah,
Oh, eyelash.
he's a bit wild.
Oogie eyelash. Hmm? Yep.
Keep it going.
We're going.
Keep it going.
You say now bite me not true?
Yeah. And this one is
Look on the eyes them.
This one is It's a boy. Anyone want to take picture with? No, I wouldn't say that, but I'll show you some things.
What go on? You alright? Like you say yes.
I'll just touch it. I'll just hold it.
Yeah, man, hold him, man.
Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you how. Push down your things a bit more. No, pull down your things a bit more. So, for you to be in control, your hand has to be in this
But I
position.
can yes, please.
I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. We're in this together. Yeah, with okay. This hand. This. Next one in this.
No, you put up your
No, man,
index,
I'm
put up
here
your
with
index
you.
finger, yeah.
Oh. So you feel like it's in a slot? You feel it?
Yeah.
And this hand. This hand. You know what's funny? They said that when time you have them, they pull, you're gonna get money.
Yeah?
You did it.
Good luck. Good luck.
Yes.
Record what she's saying.
So they are saying that whenever you have an animal or anything and they pull.
What he do? What he do?
Oh, yes.
Like that.
Yes.
It's a good luck.
It's good luck.
You're gonna feel scared of me.
No, they said that it's good luck.
It's good luck.
You know, I believe.
I believe too.
I believe.
I believe too, just like
To make something out the ground.
We had a big cage, compartment. When I was a kid, my grandfather took 6 months and build that. He had
Whoa.
it in his hand there.
Yeah.
But my husband said no.
This is where the lovebirds are at. You don't mind if it's in your ear?
No.
Right now.
Oh, so nice. Wow.
nice. Nice. Yeah, man.
I want you by me. Come
Yes.
on. I want you by me. Hi. Hi, hi, hi.
You want one you? Do you want me?
Yes.
Okay.
Hold on, let me take a picture. Hold on.
You're so cute. You're so nice and nice.
Nice video.
Mm-hmm.
They don't pick. They don't pick.
You don't look it. You don't look on it. Anything I do, you just keep it going. Alright. They will, but like for example, they will not just pick it like that. Maybe only when they pick it like if they think that you have brains. Yeah. Yes. And then I feed in the food, then yeah, then nibble on your skin. Keep it going, man.
Thank you.
Anything you guys doing, continue to do it.
We have grandchildren.
Huh?
Nice.
Grandchildren.
That's what she's saying. Wow.
So nice.
That's a plus.
Nice.
Yeah, man. That's your favorite one.
I love it. So far, it just keeps getting better and better.
Yeah, man.
Better and better.
That is
That's a
it.
plus, right?
Yeah. Okay. Are they going now?
You said, and this what you get the period then. If that's the case.
That's the pic.
So nice.
Yes. Yes.
No fighting. Oh, you nice, see? Just like the Jamaican colors.
That one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Sashi, come here. I wanted to be in the picture too. Oh,
You
boy.
doesn't like bird?
He loves birds.
But I just
And when I was selling.
Because you have some persons come inside and the bird never come out. No?
Yeah, somebody.
Why? You don't like birds?
I love bird, but not in cage.
Okay. Nothing cage. Understood. Understood.
I don't expect people do, you know.
Yeah, understand. It's just your preference.
Yeah, yeah. If a man want to mind a cage, yeah, for them, you know.
Hello?
And that is why you put some. Yeah, there's certain persons don't mean. Yeah. Yeah, you hear that before.
You hear that one, Kevin?
Nice. Yeah, your skin's clean and nice, right?
Yeah.
Everybody in
Can't believe
Jamaica
our
tell me that.
Sorry to
hear that
scare
one
you.
too?
Hmm?
That she can't believe my age. I love it.
Yeah, yeah. I told you. I told you.
Yeah.
I love these Jamaicans.
That is it.
Oh, thank you so much.
But it's a good thing.
It's a.
151 now.
Yeah, so you're rich?
I'm rich.
Yeah.
I'm rich. Even
Which
if I
was
don't
it?
have,
No.
this
No,
doesn't
no,
make
no,
me
no.
rich enough. Oh, that's a real
Sometimes when they
blue.
bring me down, they get old, it's changed color.
Right.
So this is
Pale
green.
they get.
Oh, we have like that? We,
Green like grass.
My friend. What go on? You don't like me? I got follow the other one. Active. Go behind it, yes. Come on. You ready?
Come now.
Yeah, go on. Take one with you first. Yeah, take one with you first. Big up yourself, you know, my general. Heart of love, you hear that?
Alright, big smile.
Heart of love, my general.
Yeah, man, love and light.
Big up, big up.
Three,
Get ready to sit.
1.
Alright.
So we're not going to box.
Hold on from this.
Can you use my phone?
Yeah, man, you can use your phone, man. Just make sure it don't fall out.
Well,
And the server sent it on the foot. I give it.
if you see where I went, I can
Big up. Way to go over there though. Wagwan! Hey! That's cool.
But the thing that we went up with is wow.
Nice. Almost like a drone video.
Okay. So I wear the pictures was good.
Oh, you like the pictures? Yeah, man, they came out really nice.
So see if I
You have to get ready to jump off here.
I thought you was doing.
When you jump off, you go that side, alright?
To the right, we're gonna run, yeah?
Run, let's go. Quick. Let's go. This side.
Start off with the ragamuffin. Walk across the bridge, go on that side, and then they come back over here for the bobsled, alright?
Alright, cool.
Go ahead, I'll respect the boss.
Alright, so we're gonna do the ragamuffin first, and then we'll do the bobsled afterwards, alright? Yeah. No, the ragamuffin is more like of a little thrill, so let's get that out the way first. Alright? Yeah, man. No, it's just what's recommended. Yeah, so they just say, alright, do that first, and then you're good to go. But
I saw the one in the movie was 4 people.
was what? 4? Yeah, but I mean, this one you don't need 4 person. This one is pretty cool.
You're right, and that's a lot.
Yeah, man. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful view. Yeah, man. Active. Hmm? You say you're not going on it? Huh?
It is so bad, boy. I don't like them things. I don't like them things, but I feel it's not looking so bad.
This one not so bad. It's not so bad. Rapido. Yeah, man. I catch our one. I catch our reaction, man. You ready? Let's go. Boss, Rocky 2 time. Yeah, man. Fun time. You see, you ready? Active. Come on. That is it. That is it. Ready? Hold on. No. nice, man.
Let me see if
Look
we're
at the
going to say
view.
that just now.
Woo, look at that beautiful view.
When it's nice, you do it
Twice.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on now. Hold on now.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yeah, man. Woo! Woo! Yeah, man. It's not bad, right?
Nah, I know it's gonna get worse now. I know it's gonna
Yeah, it's gonna get a little worse now. Hold on. Woohoo! Yeah, man. That is it. Woo! Feel like we're going over there, right?
Nice, it's nice. We're going to do the steps.
Yeah, man, that is it. You say doing it again?
Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! That is it, man. Cool and nice. Yeah, man. Okay, that's. Okay, that's. Yeah, man, that is it.
Hey, that was awesome.
That was awesome.
You see?
Yeah, man, I love it, man. I love
You
it.
didn't expect that. Did you expect that so far?
No, I thought you was going to screaming more.
When I hear you scream, I was screaming. When I hear you scream, then I was screaming. When I didn't hear you scream.
What was that? It was great, man. It was awesome, man. Boss. She said again. She said again. Yeah, people, so I showed you how I go on from the bobsled, isn't it? Yeah, man, Mystic Mountain over there. I'm fully active and outside like all the time. Guess then gone done, so for my time now. Alright. That is it, you know? One, a good vibes, man. Nice, bro. Yeah, people are kind of scared, but them do it, man. Them guys, them wish we could have recorded them still, but I just saw it go. But we're still outside. Hope they get a little clip in so we can get it put back on the vlog, you understand? But we'll go down the outside, man. So right now, see pray. That is it.
Alright guys, you're going to keep the handlebars on the side. Forward. Forward means that way. Really forward. All the way. You get close to anyone, pull it back. Alright?
Yeah, people. Alright, man. Ready for your adventure, you know? Yeah, man, so we're showing how I go on.
Pull back if somebody goes slow or
You know it go. Active like all the time. Yeah, man. You know it go. Okay, that's now. Whoop. Man. Full speed ahead. Full speed ahead. Outside now. Active. Yeah, man. That is it, you know. I said we are saying it, man. No brakes on them. No brakes on them. Fully active. You know it go. Active. No brakes on them. Active. I got the time, family. Yeah, man. You know it go. Oh, God, yo. Yeah. Right, man. Active. Active. No break. No break. Yeah, man. Let's have a slow down, you know? We got it, man. We got it, man. Overhead, my boss.
Why not?
Active. Once, my G.
You die?
Yeah, man. Active, you know, people. Yeah, my hat gone up. With our vibes, man. Here in Jamaica, you know? Mystic Mountain bobsled. Break, break. Yeah. Yeah, man. Nice little vibe. You know, nice little adventure. Yeah, man. Cool, man. Bobsled in Jamaica, you know? Yeah, man. Mystic Mountain. So beautiful. Man. Man. Back to the top, so I'm going to check in with my guests them now, see how well they enjoyed it, and yeah, man, good vibes. Active. Yeah, people, that was an adventure. Can I come on?